Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English AI, the channel where learning English becomes fun and easy. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma. We're so glad you're here with us today.
Emma, you look really cheerful today. What's making you so happy?
Well, the sun is shining, I have my favorite cup of coffee, and we have a topic everyone uses daily, small talk.
Ah, yes, small talk. Those little friendly conversations that connect us with people around us, neighbors, colleagues, even someone standing next to you in line.
Exactly. And for many English learners, small talk can feel scary or awkward. But don't worry, we're going to make it easy and fun.
Before we begin, friends, if you enjoy our episodes, please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English AI. Don't forget to share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Let's start with the very basics. Level 1 is for situations where you meet someone but don't know what to say.
Like being in an elevator, a bus, or waiting in a supermarket line. Everything is quiet and the silence feels a little awkward.
Exactly. And here's a simple tip. Start with the environment. You don't need big words, just a simple starter.
Like a key to unlock a conversation. For example, the weather is perfect for level 1.
Yes, you could say, "It's very sunny today, isn't it?" Or if it's raining, "I hope this rain stops soon."
I tried that once at the bus stop. I said, "It's quite windy today." And the lady next to me smiled and said, "Yes, I almost lost my hat." We both laughed.
See? That's a small victory. Just greet, comment on the situation, and smile.
So if I'm at the supermarket, I could say, "It's quite busy here today, isn't it?"
Perfect. Short, friendly, and natural.
Now, what about level 2? This is for people you see often, like a colleague or a neighbor.
Yes, you start by asking open questions instead of yes-no questions. Open questions begin with what, how, or why.
Closed questions stop the conversation. For example, "Did you enjoy your weekend?" Yes or no. Conversation ends.
Exactly, but "what did you do this weekend?" invites a story.
Let me try. "Emma, what did you do last Saturday?"
I visited a cozy new bookstore downtown.
That's nice. What kind of books do you enjoy?
Perfect follow-up, Daniel. You listened and asked for more details.
It feels like a natural conversation, not a lesson.
Exactly. Small talk is like playing catch. Throw a question, the other person catches it, throws it back.
Level 3 is for deeper conversations with people you know well.
Yes, you share experiences, ask about opinions, or give compliments. For example, "I saw your latest project at work. That design was impressive. How did you come up with it?"
Or, "I noticed your garden is blooming beautifully. Did you plant these yourself?"
And remember to listen carefully, react naturally, and ask small follow-ups. "That's interesting. Can you tell me more about it?"
Exactly. A little curiosity goes a long way.
Emma, you mentioned a story earlier?
Yes, this morning I went to the coffee shop. There was a man with a huge golden retriever.
Oh, I love dogs.
Me too. I said, "What a beautiful dog. What's his name?"
And that simple question probably led to a friendly chat.
Exactly. We talked for 5 minutes about his dog's habits and training. A simple opener can grow into a real conversation.
Here are some quick tips for small talk. Smile and make eye contact. It makes you approachable. Keep it short at first. No need for long speeches. Ask open questions. Always invite conversation. React naturally. Use phrases like, "That's interesting," or "I see."
And most importantly, practice every day. Even one small conversation counts.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you found these tips helpful.
If you enjoyed this episode, like it, subscribe to Mr. English AI, and share with friends.
Yes, and remember, keep practicing small talk daily. It will become easier with time.
Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode of Mr. English AI.
Bye for now.